Hi, my name is Raul Cardozo. I'm from Laguna Hills, California, and I came to Dr. Mexico Dental Group in Tijuana to have my dental implants done by Dr. Alan Martinez. I was missing several teeth, and after Dr. Alan evaluated me, we decided that I needed 5 dental implants, including an implant-supported bridge. The treatment was actually much easier to fit into my schedule than I expected. It was done in 2 stages over about 4 months. On my first trip, Dr. Alan was able to place all 5 implants in just 2 days. Then we waited about 4 months for everything to heal properly before finishing my permanent teeth. For the second stage, I only needed 2 short trips to Tijuana, basically 1 day each. Since I live in Laguna Hills, Tijuana really isn't that far away. I only stayed overnight after the first surgery. After my final teeth were finished, I decided to stay another night, but that was because I wanted to. I wanted to enjoy Tijuana a little bit, do some sightseeing, and of course, get some good fish tacos. I speak Spanish, so personally, I felt completely at home in Tijuana. But while I was at the clinic, I met several other patients who had come down from the United States who didn't speak Spanish, and they were getting around just fine. They told me they felt comfortable here too. The clinic is in Zona Rio, which is a really nice modern part of Tijuana. There are good hotels nearby and all kinds of interesting restaurants, so it didn't feel like I was just coming down for dental work. I actually enjoyed my visits. And I have to say, Dr. Allen has been great. After going through this whole process with him, I feel like he's not just my dentist anymore. I consider him a friend. I'm very happy with my implants and my new teeth. And from now on, whenever I need dental care, I plan to come back to Dr. Mexico Dental Group. For me, this is my dental clinic now.